Pluto TV. New look, same great app. Guys, check this out. Pluto TV and NFL have partnered up. Stream now, pay never for all the NFL Super Bowl classic games you can think of. You don't even need to sign up, nothing. We can come back, check out our channel guide, and across the top here, Super Bowl Classics. Super Bowl Classic, American games, Super Bowl Classics. Just live, continuously played. So most of us have already used Pluto TV. It's a great app for free movies, free TV shows, free live TV, free on demand, you name it. You don't even have to create an account. And now, as you can tell, we got Super Bowl Classics, Reaction. Let's kind of cut down through here. Icon, Spike, Classic, True Crime, Spotlights. In the featured, now watching. Click through here. Mountain Man, like Pluto TV, it's available in Canada, it's available in the United States. Football Classics does not seem to be available in Canada from what I've seen so far, but it is available. So if you're looking for this application, it's super incredibly easy to find. You can find it the same old way along with this. Check out this video and it'll show you the way through the Led by the Unknown website where you can find other applications just like it. Or on here on the home screen, we can just type in or speak in your remote Pluto PL, and it should come up pretty quick. Pluto TV. If you don't have it, own it, get it, download it, install it. No jailbreak needed if you get it this way. And stream now, never pay. No credit card, stream thousands of movies, TV shows. Save your favorites across all your devices. Resume watching where you left off. Like, Pluto can't make it any easier for us. Pluto TV, 24/7 unlimited access to the NFL content on NFL channel for free. So it's going to include the NFL channel, features live game day coverage, NFL replays, original shows, including MLB channel on Pluto TV. So it'll be streaming classic Super Bowl games for all you awesome NFL fans. Who is ready for this Super Bowl, folks? I'm bummed out Buffalo didn't make it, but San Fran, KC, Super Bowl? Boys, girls, February 11th is going to be one crazy time. So let's go quickly here through Pluto. Drama, horror, crimes, thriller, terror, movie sphere, her, black, sitcom, hey, Andy Griffith, reaction, fantastic, comedy, spotlight, Spike, icon, outdoors, romance, crimes, thrillers, horrors. Guys, there's tons and tons of stuff available. On demand doesn't seem to want to work for me right now. I'm not too sure why. It's fairly easy. Watching now. Mountain Man. There you go. He's got the hounds going. MLB. PGA. Lazo. Ride Pass, Sports, Fights, The Zone, Fights. So some reruns from some The Zone stuff. Bellator, PFL, Impact, Glory, Kickboxing, Sports Extras, BAV TV, World Poker, more poker. Look at that, some This Old House, folks. Pluto Home, Tiny Home Nation, Antiques Roadshow, Home and Garden, Design, America's Test Kitchen, some Food TV, Hell's Kitchen, Oliver, Iron Chef, BBC Food, Julia, Smithsonian Channel, Military Power, Nation, Science, Voyager, Pluto TV, Pluto Animals, PBS Nature, The Pets, Cats, Dogs, Faith, TBN, Nature, Nick Jr., Zoom, Dora, Little Star, Little Baby, Baby Shark, Nickelodeons, Kids, Turtles, Transformers, Team Spirit, Lego. Man, this stuff just keeps going. So tons of kid stuff, tons of sports, Gamer, IGN, World Pixel. It just keeps going, folks. Anime, Yu-Gi-Oh, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2K, Vivo, some classics, multiple languages, romance, badass, CSIs, mysteries, emergencies, 911, MTV, Spike, Walking Dead, AMC. Like, I'm not too sure what to say here. Foodies, paranormal, Euro News, more sports. This is all Española. Oh, look at this. CB, Baltimore, Bay Area, Boston, CBS. So news. Looks like we made it maybe to the end finally. That took a while. Folks, so if you like it, take a look. Download onto your Fire Stick and enjoy. Happy streaming, everybody. Take it easy. Peace out.